Did you know that something as small as a chia seed can have a significant impact on your weight loss journey? Packed with nutrients, these tiny seeds support weight loss. Ancient Aztecs and Mayans relied on chia seeds for strength. Modern science confirms their impressive health benefits. Incorporate them into smoothies, yogurt, and baked goods. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They boost metabolism and curb appetite. Discover how chia seeds can help you achieve your health goals. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. These tiny seeds are a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. Furthermore, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health, reducing inflammation, and promoting heart health. One of the most remarkable properties of chia seeds is their high fiber content. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds provides a whopping 11 grams of fiber, which is nearly half of the recommended daily intake. This abundant fiber plays a crucial role in promoting digestive health, regulating bowel movements, and preventing constipation. The high fiber content promotes satiety, helping to curb cravings and reduce overall calorie intake. By incorporating chia seeds into your daily meals, you can harness their nutritional power to support your weight loss journey and improve your overall health. Integrating chia seeds into your daily meals is surprisingly easy and versatile. One of the simplest ways to enjoy chia seeds is by adding them to your morning smoothie. Their mild, slightly nutty flavor blends seamlessly with fruits, vegetables, and yogurt, creating a nutritious and filling breakfast. Chia seeds can also be sprinkled on top of yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal, adding a boost of fiber and nutrients to your morning meal. Their ability to absorb liquid makes them an excellent addition to overnight oats, creating a pudding-like consistency that is both satisfying and delicious. For a refreshing twist, try adding chia seeds to your favorite fruit salad or sprinkling them on top of a green salad for added crunch and nutrition. Another popular way to use chia seeds is to make chia pudding. Simply combine chia seeds with your choice of milk, dairy, or non-dairy, and let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. For those who enjoy baking, chia seeds can be incorporated into muffins, breads, and other baked goods. Numerous scientific studies support the benefits of chia seeds for weight loss and overall health. A study found that chia seed supplementation led to a significant reduction in body weight and waist circumference. Another study investigated the effects of chia seeds on appetite control. Consuming chia seeds before a meal reduced hunger and increased satiety. Dr. Mehmet Oz has also touted the benefits of chia seeds for weight loss. Chia seeds positively impact metabolic markers like blood sugar control and cholesterol levels. While chia seeds can be a valuable tool in your weight loss journey, it's important to remember that they are not a magic bullet. Incorporating chia seeds into a holistic approach to weight loss is crucial for achieving sustainable results. This includes adopting a balanced diet rich in whole foods, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress levels, and prioritizing adequate sleep. A balanced diet should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Regular physical activity is essential for burning calories, boosting metabolism, and improving overall fitness. Stress management is often overlooked in weight loss programs, but it plays a significant role. Adequate sleep is crucial for regulating hormones that control appetite and metabolism. By incorporating chia seeds into a holistic approach that encompasses diet, exercise, stress management, and sleep, you can maximize their benefits and achieve sustainable weight loss results. As you embark on your chia seed journey, remember to start slowly and gradually increase your intake to allow your body to adjust. A special tip for maximizing the benefits of chia seeds is to grind them before consuming. Ground chia seeds can be added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or used in baking. Now, we'd love to hear from you. How do you incorporate chia seeds into your diet? Share your favorite recipes, tips, and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can inspire and motivate each other on our weight loss journeys. Your insights and experiences can be valuable to others who are just starting out or looking for new ways to use chia seeds. Make chia seeds a regular part of your healthy lifestyle and enjoy the numerous benefits they offer. Start your chia journey today and experience the transformative power of these tiny but mighty seeds.